Karl Marx was a 19th-century philosopher and economist. He was born in Trier, Prussia, in 1818. Marx co-authored the Communist Manifesto with Friedrich Engels. His most influential work is Das Kapital. Marx's ideas laid the foundation for modern communism. Marxism is a socio-political theory developed by Marx. It critiques capitalism and advocates for a classless society. Marx argued that history is shaped by class struggle. Marxism influenced revolutions and labor movements. The Soviet Union and China implemented Marxist-Leninist ideologies. Marx's theory of class struggle highlights social conflict. He identified two main classes, the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. The bourgeoisie owned the means of production, while the proletariat labored. Marx believed the proletariat would overthrow the bourgeoisie. Class struggle remains a key concept in Marxist theory. The Communist Manifesto was published in 1848. It called for the working class to rise against the capitalist system. The manifesto emphasized the abolition of private property. Marx and Engels envisioned a stateless, classless society. The document had a profound impact on socialist movements. Das Kapital, Capital, is Marx's magnum opus. It analyzes the workings of capitalism and its flaws. Marx explored the concept of surplus value in the book. Das Kapital critiqued the exploitation of labor under capitalism. The book remains a seminal work in economic and political theory. Marx's ideas sparked revolutionary movements worldwide. The Russian Revolution and the rise of the Soviet Union were influenced by Marxism. Socialist and communist parties adopted Marx's theories. His ideas on economic inequality continue to resonate. Marx's legacy is debated, with both critics and adherents. Marx's theories faced criticism for their implementation. Critics argue that Marxist regimes led to authoritarianism. Economic issues and human rights violations have been raised. Some argue that communism is not practical in modern societies. Marx's ideas continue to be discussed and debated in academia. Marx's labor theory of value posits that value is derived from labor. He believed that workers were alienated from the products of their labor. The theory contributed to his critique of capitalism. Marx's ideas on labor influenced discussions on fair wages. The labor theory of value is central to Marxist economics. Karl Marx's ideas continue to influence politics and economics. His theories underpin socialist and communist movements. Marx's work laid the groundwork for critical theory. His critiques of capitalism remain relevant in contemporary discourse. Marx's legacy is complex and multifaceted.